folks, it's me, Nastasia. If you've been looking for ways to bring a picture to life and turn it into the video of decent quality, then continue watching. And for sure, you won't need to have any specific professional skills or to spend lots of money on purchasing any programs, because I've already found for you 5 super duper neural networks with free tools that will turn your images into amazing quality videos. Let's check it out. The first neural network I'm going to talk about is Viggle. To be honest, for now, it's my personal favorite. As I work in social media marketing, from time to time I need to create some very creative content, kinda viral Instagram reels or TikTok memes and so on. For me, the easiest way to do it is to use Viggle. You can see there is a template button on the left where you choose a pre-made video on topics that interest you: sports, movie scenes, celebrities, whatever. For example, there is a relevant meme about Donald Trump. You know that the eating the cats, the eating the dogs. Jesus Lord. Anyway, you can make any character dance to the trend music, even yourself. Upload the photo and click create. The way I did with the gaming character from Call of Duty, my favorite game. I'm absolutely obsessed with playing COD. I play it constantly and religiously. Obviously, my favorite character is Ghost, his zombie version, I mean. And I ended up with this funny meme.
They're eating the dogs, they're eating the cats. Eat the cat, eat the cat. They're eating the dogs, they're eating the cats. Eat the cat, eat the cat.
I showed you a way if you choose a video, but also you can add your own and replace a character there. Well, I took a clip for a movie with Ryan Gosling, The Fall Guy, about a stuntman. If you watched it, let me know if you like it or not in the comments. Honestly, I don't have a crush on Ryan Gosling, but I don't know. Movie is good. I decided to replace Ryan's character with Deadpool. I uploaded the clip, then I selected a full body photo of a character I'd like to replace Gosling with, and this is how it turned out. It's not perfect, but not awful. Anyway, the video quality can be improved, so for example, you can do it in Krea AI. And the next neural network is Hedra. Here you can not only bring your image to life, but also make it talk. In the audio column, we type the text we want our character to say. Of course, you can upload your own audio file. That's up to you. Here you can choose the voice, male or female, and also choose the accent. I'm really in love with British accent, so my choice is so obvious. After you choose the voice, you can upload your photo or image, and then you can click the generate video button, and this is the result.
Just be who you are, no matter what.
Next up, we have the neural network Immersity AI. Here you can control the camera movements. The picture stays static, but the movements happen thanks to the camera. Let me show you what I mean. For example, the nuclear explosion from the game Fallout. As you can see, the picture stays static, but there is a camera movement, and you can choose how you want the camera to move. So it's very cool. And one more example from Cyberpunk. Just notice this super atmospheric animation, as if you are right there. Wow, I love it. I absolutely love it. Last but probably the coolest neural network to bring photos to life and create videos at the moment is Minimax. I think many of you should already know about it. If you are into neural networks, I'm sure you know it. And by the way, all the links to neural networks I mentioned in this video will be in the info box below. So feel free to check it out and try animating your pictures. And returning to our Minimax neural network, the videos here look quite realistic with no obvious defects like 6 fingers, 2 heads or something like that. Let's try to generate something. I don't know what was in my head when I came up with a pink cow flying over a green field. Like, what? But here we are, guys, and this is the result. It looks fun, unusual, basically just what I wanted. I think that video like this would definitely catch attention in an ad. Well, your imagination is the limit. Create more content, be creative, get inspired, and use neural networks because they're cool for real. If you like any neural network I mentioned in this video, just let me know in the comments and I will create for you separate video describing all details. I will show you all tools with examples that you can use. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye!